channel of me is Nokia G50 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to access clock by tapping on it and select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. Now tap on this blue plus icon and set up an hour. When you're ready, choose OK and tap on repeat. Over here you need to select days of the week. I will go with Mondays only, and then you can also click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. Now tap on label your alarm however you wish to and save it by tapping OK. Now click on this bell icon over here and select one of those melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the one that you wish to set up and going back. But you can also choose add new, pick music from your device, go back, and to save your alarm, just tap on this icon over here. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, tap on this icon again and just delete. If you wish to find even more alarm settings, click on those three dots at the top right corner, select settings and customize them however you wish to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!